Done for you profits, review, demo, and $3,325 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Done For You Profits review, a brand new product released by Jason Fulton and Mosh Bari, two amazing marketers, and in fact these marketers are making $50,000 per month each as affiliate marketers. And the cool thing about this product is that they will actually give you done for you affiliate marketing promotions that they use. Okay, so this is completely done for you. You know, the whole funnel, pages, everything else is done for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste your affiliate link into it and you can start making money. And the big thing is that they include all the traffic you need. Okay, so traffic is obviously the key component to any affiliate marketing promotion if you want to make the big bucks, and they include everything. So it's fully done for you. It's an amazing product and I'm going to review it right here for you. And I have a huge $3,325 bonus for you, including some custom bonuses, including done for you campaigns, including traffic strategies, and much more. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this Done For You Profits review by Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton. Now, even before we're gonna go to the sales page, I just did what I like to do as always. I went to Fiverr and I typed in affiliate marketing to see how much people are actually charging for services related to Done For You affiliate marketing. Okay, so this guy says I will build clickbank affiliate marketing email sales funnel. Now keep in mind this is just email. That's $45. I will make money. I will make a money machine using affiliate marketing, $130. And as you can see, these guys are actually selling these services. So 22 sold here, 26 sold here. You know, $100, $140, you know, for done for you affiliate marketing promotions. So I didn't mention that you're also gonna get done for you emails with this whole system. Okay, so just for emails, this guy is charging $45, and for under 20 bucks you're gonna get the whole thing with pages, squeeze pages, done for you pages, thank you pages, emails. The whole promo is done for you. Okay, so you know, I always like to do this little research just to see where are we on the scale when it comes to pricing. And Done For You Profits is definitely a super low priced product with the early bird, which I'm going to tell you in a second. Okay, right now let's check out the sales page, and as you can see it says warning, bank 100% done for you commissions, newbie friendly, no website or hosting required. Top marketers make $50K per month using this exact system. Copy and profit from 30 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns that two marketers use to make $50,000 per month and get unlimited traffic and commissions without any manual work. Okay, so again, this is fully done for you. You get 30 done for you campaigns. These campaigns already made them tons of money, as you can see, and you get traffic included. That's the main thing. You know, you don't need these done for you campaigns if you don't know how to generate traffic. You will make $0, but with traffic obviously it will convert very well and you'll make bank. So again, this is 100% done for you system. Obviously you can go through this whole sales page in your own time. So before Done For You Profits, after Done For You Profits, we get some income proof right here. So again, Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton, these are the two guys behind this product. Done For You Profits, again, that's the name of the product. Scrolling down to get some testimonials, a little demo. Now I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always, so you can check this whole thing out. I'm going to do a little demo right here in this video, but the full, I believe, 12-minute demo will be a separate thing, not to bore you to death right here. Again, some more income proof, some more testimonials, and these guys have some bonuses. Obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever they are giving away. And as you can see, one site license will be $22 and the pro site $22 as well. So this is only during the early bird, as you can see, you know, this is $22. So even just comparing to the Fiverr gigs, going back here, the whole product, the whole done for you system will cost you less than just done for you emails if you would like to buy them on Fiverr or anywhere else. Okay, so some more testimonials, 30 days money back guarantee as always, so there's no risk for you. Again, Done For You Profits. That's the sales page. Obviously you can read through it in your own time, and let me show you the inside of the members area right now. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, that's the Done For You Profits dashboard. We have the dashboard, we have my sites, my pages, trainings and tutorials, Done For You autoresponder, done for you giveaways and offers. So let's go through all of it right now. As you can see, when we're going to access pages, essentially you're going to be creating your own pages from the done for you templates that are included. Okay, so first of all, let me actually show you the pages first. Okay, so this is just one example of these pages. So obviously you're getting 30 plus done for you affiliate marketing promotion. This is just one. As you can see, it looks amazing. It converts really high, and as you can see, you're going to be essentially getting the emails of people, and once they will enter their email, they will see a thank you page, and they will be added to your email list, and they will start getting done for you email follow-ups. Okay, so first of all, they will buy instantly because this converts really well, and even if they don't, they will start getting email after email after email, just forcing them to buy. Okay, so as you can see, again, slick looking, really amazing. That's the thank you page. Obviously you can edit all of it to your own liking, you know, you can use it as is, it's totally up to you. And the cool thing about the thank you page is that you can actually add a contest. So if you want people to add themselves to your Facebook group or follow you or on Instagram or on Twitter, or you subscribe to your YouTube channel or any other thing that you want them to do, you can set this up right here and just give them some points for it, or like give them an additional bonus. So again, this is something optional, but this will really increase the conversion. So again, you know, you can just use the thank you page as is, or you can just edit it to your liking. You have all the options ready for you, so it's totally up to you how you want to set it up. And obviously the video training will show you exactly how to do all of this. Okay, so again, that's the thank you page, that's the squeeze page. Obviously you're gonna get the done for you emails as well, and you're gonna get video training. So as you can see, this is done for you profits training and tutorials. You can access the support desk right here if you're gonna have any questions to these guys. As you can see, we have the introduction video, then we have the autoresponder settings. So obviously you're gonna connect your autoresponder to it to build your list, and then so you can send the done for you emails to every single person that opts in. Setting up the landing pages, setting up free contest traffic, that's the thing that I just told you about. How to create a Warrior Plus account step-by-step tutorial, how to set up a JVZoo account. Now this is where it gets exciting, because they have some buyer traffic methods. Okay, so this is not just some free traffic methods that might work or might not. These are buyer traffic methods, and you're gonna get free, as you can see. So you're gonna get buyer traffic method number 1, buyer traffic method number 2, and number 3. Oh, 4, excuse me. I thought it's free, it's actually 4. And as you can see, you're gonna grab some unannounced gifts here as well. Okay, so these are all the done for you training and tutorial videos. And going back right here, so again, you're gonna be able to add all of the pages right here. You have training and tutorials right here, then done for you autoresponder. So obviously you can connect any autoresponder. So it can be Aweber, Active Campaign, Campaign Monitor, ConvertKit, GetResponse, MailChimp. So these are obviously the big ones. And then we have the done for you giveaways, and as you can see, these are the giveaways on the thank you pages. So again, you can set this up or not, but if you will, this will really increase the conversions and the amount of money that you're going to be making. Okay, so this is how you can set it up. And going to offers, as you can see, these are the done for you offers that you'll be able to instantly use. So you can use these as is. As you can see, we have Sniper Profitz Pro, Rapid Profitz Pro, Auto Traffic Pro, Traffic X Pro, Profiteer, Blistering. So all of these done for you affiliate marketing campaigns are already done for you. They are ready to go, or you can actually edit all of these if you have any other affiliate marketing campaign that you want to use instead. Okay, so again, you have 20 right here. They are still adding more, so you're gonna get a total of 30 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, and obviously you can edit it to your liking and use this for any other affiliate marketing campaign. So that's essentially it. As you can see, again, that's the dashboard right here. Again, you're gonna get all the video training included, including the 4 done for you buyers traffic methods. You're gonna get the squeeze pages, the thank you pages, the done for you emails for follow-ups, and everything else. Okay, so that's essentially it, but let me show you all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay, so the main product, as I showed you, will be $21 or $22 now. This is the early bird price, and then the price will be going up. And obviously, if you want to grab it for just $22 and get the pro version for $22, you have to show up early. And right now let's check out all of the upsells. So upsell number 1, we get Done For You Profitz Unlimited Profits Edition for $67. Then we have audio number 2, Done For You Profitz Super Traffic Machine, $67 as well. Then we have audio number 3, Done For You Profitz 100x Conversion Booster, $89. Next up we got Done For You Profitz Done For You Money Machines, $277. And we also have Done For You Profitz Auto Chat Profit, $97. And the last one, we got Done For You Profitz License Rights for $167. Now these are all of the upsells, and right here on my blog, as always, I have a full written review, so you can check it out. So let me just tell you a little bit about each upsell right now. So audio number 1 for $67. This is essentially a time saver. You're going to be automating all of these campaigns, and you'll be able to create unlimited campaigns with a simple click-to-click system. So this is the Unlimited Profits Edition. Audio number 2, again, we got Super Traffic Machine. So in this upgrade, you'll get additional traffic methods, and this will include 100% free viral traffic, and obviously all of this will be linked to your Done For You Profitz site. Audio number 3, 100x Conversion Booster. Now this will just increase your conversions by adding Facebook pixel to your money size. You're gonna get premium SEO optimization. You're gonna get countdown timers, exit pop-ups, and social proof if you want to add. And these are massive conversion boosters. Then we have Done For You Money Machines, $277. Now you are getting 30 Done For You affiliate marketing campaigns and sites. If you want additional 60, that's audio number 4, $277, a little bit more expensive, but you're going to be getting a total of 90 proven campaigns, and you're going to be able to make money with this as soon as possible. So that's something definitely optional. And then audio number 5, Auto Chat Profits. This will add a unique technology, they call it the affiliate chat box. Essentially going to be adding hundreds of dollars of income to your bottom line and to the amount of money that you're already making with Done For You Profitz, okay? And then the last one, audio number 6, we got license rights. Essentially you'll be able to sell this product as your own and all the products in the funnel as well, and keep 100% of the profits. And keep in mind, affiliates are making 50% commissions on this. If you want 100% commissions, that's audio number 6, license rights, $167. Now again, check out my full written review right here on my blog if you want all the information. I have obviously the funnel breakdown, and I have all of my bonuses. So let me mention all of the bonuses. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but Done For You Profitz will be going live on December 1st. That's Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern. If you'll pick it up from my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses that I'm going to mention to you right now. Now, if you want to pick it up from my bonus, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you are on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description. Now, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion, and I made these. You cannot buy this, you can only get it as a bonus to Done For You Profitz, okay? So I actually made a free separate PDFs on how to generate traffic. So how to generate traffic with ads, how to get unlimited traffic, and how to get social media traffic, okay? So free traffic strategies, especially for this promotion. And I'm also going to give you Done For You pack, which I normally sell as an OTO to my own courses. Now you're gonna get it for free. Now this will include my own courses that you can actually rebrand and sell them yourself. You are getting full PLR rights, and I'm also going to give you 49 Done For You emails. Okay, so these are affiliate marketing emails. You're gonna get 7 campaigns and 7 emails in each campaign, so a total of 49 Done For You. This will just be perfect for Done For You Profitz, because you're just getting more emails, more promotions, and you're getting different niches as well, okay? You're also going to get Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser, my free courses on how to make money on Fiverr. And obviously you can use Done For You Profitz so to set up campaigns for other people, make money this way as well. You're also going to get free step profit machines, Quantum Profits, Piggyback Cash System, and Fusion. Now these are exclusive bonuses I got from Jason and Mosh to give to you, and these are all W's of the Day awarded products. And I'm also going to give you my own W's of the Day awarded product called Newbie Traffic Formula if you want to generate even more traffic. And I'm going to add a bunch of software products and plugins. So you're gonna get 12 best money-making WordPress plugins and 9 additional ones. So you're gonna get a Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, best sales page writing software, Squeeze page creator, TrueText, IAS, Popbox, sales bar, and shortcode call to action. That's 9. You're gonna get additional 12. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now, my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and altogether, with the bonuses that I just mentioned, that will be a total of $3,325. Now, these are not PLR products, these are products either made by myself, software products, or W's of the Day awarded products. Okay, so that's a total of real world value of $3,325. And again, check out my fully written review, including the sum up right here. So just to sum up this done for you profits review, these are copy and paste, one click done for you campaigns. It comes preloaded with 30 done for you super affiliate campaigns. No need to write articles or record videos. You're going to be earning commissions from a fully tested and proven to work funnel. Newbie friendly traffic included. You're going to get free viral traffic and list building module. Again, this is newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills, no manual work. You can become a super affiliate with this. No website or hosting, and this is 100% cloud based. So again, check out my fully written review, check out all of my bonuses. Make sure to use my link to pick it up to get all of these bonuses. And again, you can just use one of these blue links right here on my blog, or you can just click the first link in the description if you are watching on YouTube. Now keep in mind, if you are watching this review before 9 a.m. Eastern on December 1st, the first link in the description from YouTube will not work. It will take you to an early bird page, but if you want to pick it up, the link will only start working after 9 a.m. Eastern on December 21st. Again, that's a Sunday. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Please like this video on YouTube. I'll really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.